In this video, I am going to discuss about best books for environment and pedagogy for CTET Paper 1 and West Bengal Primary TET. Also, this will help you to prepare for WBCS, Rail, Bank, UPSC, SSC, SI, Group C, Group D and different miscellaneous exams. So, let's begin. In CTET Paper 1 Environmental Studies, you have to read Family and Friends, Food, Shelter, Water, Travel, Things we make and do, Pedagogical issues. The difficulty level of questions can be up to the secondary standard. First of all, to understand the exam pattern and question pattern, must try to buy previous year's question paper book with solutions or search Google to find previous year's question. In this regard, you can select any book from McGraw-Hill publication or Wiley publication or Arihant publication. Next, to clear the theoretical concept in environment, must try to read all your West Bengal board textbook of Poribesh o Bigyan. In this regard, you can also select any book from Chhaya publication or Satra publication. Now for in-depth theoretical concept, the best choices are Poribesh by Dr. Anish Chattopadhyay, and this book is also available in English. You can also buy Environment and Ecology from McGraw-Hill publication and Environment from EMF IAS by Manjunath Thamminidhi for UPSC and state civil service examinations. For mock test purpose in environment and other issues, must try to collect Achievers or Pesa Probesh or Jubokristi or Mahindra Publications Current Affairs book. Also, you have another choice by selecting Disha Publications Quarterly Current Affairs book. The weekly papers Kormokhetro, Jibika Dishari, Kaj Career, Karmasangstans are best for you. This paper will really help you for practicing environment and other issues for any competitive exams. So these are all the highly recommended books for environment and pedagogy. Don't forget to comment which book you like the most or prefer for your upcoming exams. I hope this discussion may help you for your future preparation. Thank you and happy learning.